Right, so this one is a Razor scooter. I'm not sure of the model. That was £5. It's broke. This one is a Razor, I think it's RX200, and it's an off-road one. Now, you don't see many of these. There's not many of these on eBay, or when you look, there's not many about on the for sale sites. So I got this off eBay, cheap. This was 35 quid. It don't work. But I bought it knowing it don't work, so I can fix it up and make a profit. But yeah, took the chain guard off, chunky tyres, disc brake, the motor, the 2 batteries. I've tested them, they're alright, and I think it's a little switch down here, so the switch has come today, so I'm going to fit it and have a look at it. Now, this is the Razor scooter that I bought to sell, and I did the rides on the other day, the 2 rides. I did it on this one, but yeah, I bought this to sell at a profit. They're quite dear, because like I say, they do 13 mile an hour with kids on, and yeah, they're pretty fast. Those videos the other day are the first time I've actually rode an electric scooter. Well, I'll tell a lie there. I've been on one of these Razor E300s of my nephew's for about 5 minutes a couple of years ago, and that was it. But I've never ridden one properly, so I really enjoyed it. So that's what's made me go scooter mad. Right, okay. I'll see if I can get this working. So this Razor RX200 has got knobblies on the front and back, and it's also got the sprockets on the back and the motor. You can't really see it there, it's a bit too dark, but they're for more torque, so it's high torque for off-roads. And if you look, it's also got crossbar handlebars, like BMX handlebars. I think they're called crossbar, but BMX handlebars, where this one that I got for a £5 is just a T-bar. Right, quick look at them, and let's see if we can get it working. Right, I've fitted the relay switch and it's still not working, and I'm not sure whether it's the batteries really, because if you can see here, it's on, I've put it on charge, it's gone on green straight away. It was only on an hour the other night on charge, and then went to green, from red to green. So I'm going to get the multimeter and test the batteries after. I just want to see if they'll put any charge in it, even though it's still on green. But never fixed scooters before, so it's all a learning curve. I'm quite enjoying it. Right, so this is the E300 that I'm selling. I've just whipped the batteries out of it to test them in this. So get round this side. These are the batteries out of the E300. These are the original ones. So I've worked out what the problem is. So it works, and it's just batteries. Oh, it works and it's just, shut up while I'm talking. It works and it's just batteries, so they're not that dear. Oh, he hates motors, wheels spinning. What's going on? Hey, you was fast asleep. So that's it, problem solved. Order some batteries, keep it and use it for a bit. Shut up now. Right, so it's 4 AM in the morning. I fell asleep early, trying to get the dog to settle because the fireworks was bad. So, anyway, I woke up at 4 AM after falling asleep. So, anyway, here's the batteries out of the RX200. And if you can see, the 12 volt, 7 amp hour. So, I don't know what voltage they're in, I can't charge them, they won't take charge, so we need new ones. So I've ordered some anyway from Premier Battery, and that's on eBay, and they're in Eccles. Should come sometime next week. Okay, catch up a bit later on. Right, so the batteries are meant to be coming today. So I took the chain guard off to check when I was looking at it, to check my motor and my chain and everything was alright and my wheels spun okay. So I'm going to spin this round now, put the chain guard on. Right, I've cleaned my chain and oiled it and put the chain guard back on. Right, I'll show you what I've got to do to the batteries now. Right, these are the old batteries. As you can see, there's some sort of silicone or hot glue around the terminals. I think they might be soldered on, I'm not sure. So first of all, remove this glue stuff. Glue's been removed, be soldered on. So I'm going to have to take this solder off them because these wires, I need these to go on the new ones. And I ain't got any new wire that I could use. It's the same gauge as this. So I'm going to have to use these old wires. And it's got the connector on too. So I've got a 300 watt soldering iron. It was terrible heating the solder up on these. Needed something more powerful. But here's the wires anyway. Got them off. So I've got terminal connectors for these ones, so we should just crimp onto these, I think. Right, I've tested the batteries with a multimeter. So they're both meant to be 12 volts. This one's 7 and this one's 6. So they're well under. Right, the batteries have come. They've come from Premier Batteries, an eBay seller. They're based in Eccles in Manchester. Right, I ordered them on weekend and they've come here Tuesday, so let's get them out and look at them. Okay, these are them. He said he'd send me terminal connectors. Well, he has done, and they're this type, but we need soldering on. Don't even think I've got any solder. I don't know what to do now. I thought he might have sent me crimp terminals. I might have some myself somewhere, just have to have a look. Right, I found some crimp terminals, so I'm going to do the wire now. Get it in my scooter and I'll show you next. As you can see, I've put these terminal connectors on to attach to the battery. Put UPVC tape round them to insulate them and keep them secure. So the light's on. I've connected this new, I think it's some sort of relay switch. So I've connected that. It's all connected up, and let's see. Right, I've put it all together. It all works. Just got to check it charges okay. But it's going to be dark in about 25 minutes. I might take it for a quick little ride now and show you what it's like. Should I?